Hello friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to solve call ended problem on Vivo mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here firstly you have to press this call app. Okay, when you press on it, here you have to move on is the you can see app info. Second option, just click on app info. When you move on app info, here is the storage and cache, so you have to click here. After that, here you have to click on clear storage. Okay, just click on clear storage and click on OK. So right now your mobile phone call ended problem will be solved. Okay, if by doing it doesn't solve, then I'll show you another method. So here you have to move on setting. Okay, when you move on setting, just click on the search bar and search for the reset. Okay, just search on it. So here is the reset option, reset all settings. So you have to move on this reset all settings. When you move on it, you have to click on this reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. Yeah, here. Okay, when you click and there you have to click on reset, then confirm the password and click on reset. Then your call ended problem will be solved successfully. It will not harm your photos, videos or contact. Okay, it will not be deleted. So you just check these steps and it will be solved. Okay, even the Wi-Fi problem, mobile data problem or Bluetooth problem will be solved on your mobile phone. Okay, so don't be scared to click on this reset setting. So friends, if it doesn't solve by doing this also, you have to move on service center or the local shop. Okay, to solve this software problem. So friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.